Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go through and show you how I did some interior LED lighting. Just for fun, figured why not, give me something kind of to do with my new truck just to play with. So what I'm going to show you is what I did was I put LED strips under here, and then also in the back, underneath the seats hiding here. Basically what I did is just very simply wired them in, ran it underneath, wired them. This one I just did real simple, but then going forward, made it a lot cleaner and put it underneath all of that, went under. And you can kind of see where some of the wires are there to this one, all the way to this nice little switch, which now we have lighting underneath, and lighting down in the back. Alright, what I'm going to show you is that basically what I've done is the way I've wired it is so that it actually gets power from the 12-volt supply on the front dash, which is always on. That way, with the vehicle running or not, you can always have it. So the way I did it is if you push your side of your glove box in, it comes out like that. If you just squeeze the inside, this will come down. So came in, I used black wires for ground, red wires for positive, and I wired them all in series together. So the best way to get your front dash panel on, really to get to this, is gonna take a screwdriver, just gently push it in and pop it out. Normally once you do the top two, the rest just kind of pops out. So on these, you've got to get rid of this plug here in the back. There we go. We can kind of just let that hang down for a minute. So if you can see back there is where I wired in the switch, which is right there. So I've got a ground on top. The middle is the supplied voltage, and the outside is the source voltage. So the way I have that is right here on the back of the 12-volt cigarette lighter plug coming in with power. I have that tapped and goes straight to the switch. So this red wire right there connects and goes straight back to our switch to supply power. And then the ground from that goes from this ground, and then it has another ground that runs from that to the actual ground wire connector there. Then from the switch voltage goes voltage from the switch behind the dash to this connector right here, giving supplied voltage to all four of our LED lights. So what I did do is I bought off Amazon an entire package, and if you can see, it came with a bunch of them. I'll put a link in the description. Basically what it is there's 20 of these foot-long LED strips, and it was like $13. Greatly recommend them if you're going to want to do exterior or interior lighting. So to very simply put this back, line up your bottom ones, and before you close everything off, you're going to want to get this plugged back in. My apologies, very hard to do one-handed. Now you just push that back in place, and that's it. Your glove box, you just push back in and it'll automatically catch. You can close it. Now you have a clean, nicely made surface. I just used a drill bit, drilled the hole right there in the side plastic for the switch just to make it look nice and clean. So now when you flip the switch, you have your blue lights. And then off. No need to have the key on or anything. And it's powered directly from this plug, which still works. So now what I'll do is next time when I do the actual wiring for the exterior of the vehicle, which will probably be underneath just to show on the ground just for the fun of it, I'll do a full installation video of that. Just figured I'd show you how I did it with these. Well, appreciate y'all watching. Hopefully this helps if you're kind of wondering how to do an interior lighting setup. The wiring's not too bad. And if you have any questions on how I wired it, please let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.